Hey everyone, this is Wicked Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the earpads on your Sony XM3 headphones. All you are going to need to complete this process is a non-sharp butter knife and a pair of replacement earpads. To remove the earpads, grab the knife and gently shove it in between the earpad and the headphones. Push the earpad out of its place slowly, and while you are doing it, you are going to hear a clicking sound. That means the hooks have been released and you can slowly pull out the earpad. Now grab the replacement pads that you have and I will show you how to install it. The main thing you will notice about our earpads right away is that they are extra thick. The most common complaint we have been receiving about the originals is that they go flat after a while, which leads to extreme discomfort. Our pads are slightly thicker and firmer, which helps them maintain the thickness for a longer period of time. It is important to note that there is no left and right for these earpads. However, there is a top and bottom. The way you can tell the difference is by looking at the prong that is located next to the top or bottom hook. On the top side of the earpad, the prong is right next to the hook. On the bottom, there is a larger gap between the prong and the hook, which you might be able to fit your finger in between. The way that these earpads fit in place is by aligning the 6 hooks on the back of the pad into the 6 slots that are inside the headphone ear cup. To attach the earpad, hold it as I show with your finger inside of the pad so you can align the top hook into its place. Once you push the top hook in place, you will hear a clicking sound, which means it is now attached. You will then go around the rest of the hooks and simply push them down until all of them attach into their slots. You will hear clicking sounds as you do it. Once you are done, make sure the pad is securely in place and repeat the same process on the other side. And that is it. You have successfully replaced the earpads. I hope that this video was helpful and that you enjoy your Sony XM3 headphones. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask us in the comment section below, and please click the subscription button to get updated as we release more installation videos in the future.